In this video, what I'm going to do for y'all today is I'm going to go over a jacket from the company, I think that's how you'd say KOVNLO, maybe. Has a little QR code if you need to scan anything there. Let me just kind of go over some of the specs here. This is CE certified. There's 3 temperature adjustments, efficient heating element, sustainable work, more than 3 hours, machine washable, wind and waterproof. As you can tell here, I have been wearing it because I absolutely love this jacket. It came in this package right here. You get this little bag here for like washing, for if you're going to wash it or machine wash it or something like that. And here's the instructions here, and I will go over that here in just a minute. The battery came in this, and the battery comes in with a USB-C charger, and it's kind of like a very good quality charger cable. I like cables that look really good like that. And it's the model, it's kind of like their model, and the capacity on this is a 10,000 milliamp battery. It's a Type C. And let me just take it out of the package. Let me take it out of the jacket and show you, because it looks really good. They've got it logoed there, and then you mash this power button and you can see I have 2 left on it. I have been wearing it a lot. You have a USB in and a USB-C or a USB A coming out and a Type C going in, so it is a fast charger. And it just kind of goes in, and it's light. This is a light battery. What did they say it weighs? Do they have a weight on it? It's a 180 gram battery, 10,000 milliamp battery at 180 grams. It's pretty light. That's impressive. This is 100% polyester on the outside here. Let me close that up. That's actually another good pocket for your wallet or something. So this is all polyester right here, and then the lining is all polyester, and this thing feels like sheepskin. It's like wool. It feels so good on my skin. I love the feel of this. I went with an extra large because with jackets, I like them to be a little bigger so I could put something under it, but I didn't really need it because it's a heated jacket. Let's just kind of like go over the, actually I'll start it. It started. Let it start heating up with the instructions here, and kind of like it's a foldable. I hate these things. So going from right to left, it's a heated vest. It shows you what you get in the package. So here's how this thing works. So you can go all red, which I have it right here. It's all red. I don't know if you can see it in the camera. Then there's a medium green LED, which here's the temperature. So the red is going to be high, is going to get up to between 140 and 149 Fahrenheit. Medium is going to be 122 to 131, and low is going to be between 104 and 113. So it can vary, and it's going to be red, green, blue. For testing, you know, the high level can go 3 hours, 30 minutes, mediums 4 hours, 5 hours on the low. So, you know, it'll vary obviously how it's going. And here's what's cool. You can freely, so see, check this out. Heating zones. This is where this jacket really excels, everybody. Look at this. There is heating zones, and that's the light, because this thing is very bright. At night, it's super bright, so double press it. Now the lights are off. See how the lights are on? But here's what's really cool. I can change the heating zones. Like if I want to go, say, medium on the neck and the back area, I do that. If I want to go blue, I can go the low. So let's say I want low back here and medium on my neck and then high right here in the front. That is awesome. Absolutely amazing. 2 green, 1 blue. I like, because I have another jacket where the light just stays really bulbous in your face the whole time. With this one, get your heating zones, turn it off. The jacket's still on, by the way. It's still on, but the lights aren't on. I like that. Or you could just leave them on and then show off that, hey, look at this, everybody. I got me a heated jacket, just so you know. Just rub it in everybody's face. But that's how you do the adjustments there. To turn it off, you're just going to long press it. So if I want to turn it off, I'll long press 3 seconds. The whole thing's off. But then to get it back on, long press, it's back on. And I think it starts right in high. This thing is machine washable. Put it in a bag, but definitely take the battery out before you put it in a bag. Kind of gives you some basic instructions on care there. Let me go ahead and put this thing on and show you what this thing looks like on, because I love wearing this jacket. This is by far one of my favorite jackets to wear. So let me put that on now. Okay, everybody, I got it on here, and you can kind of see how it fits. It has adjustment right here to tighten up down here. And then it's easily, this has a really nice quality zipper that zips very smoothly up and down. You can see it's easily accessed right here. I can see it and I can access it very easily. The pockets feel really good, putting your hands down in the pockets. I run between large and extra large, and this is an extra large. And like I said, I went a little larger because last time I went a little smaller in my jacket, it was a huge mistake because when you're wearing like something under it, then it gets way too tight on you. But already where I'm feeling it the most is right here. And then I'm also feeling it on the back of my neck, feeling it on the back too. I can feel this around. Let's go ahead and take a quick temperature of this inside and see where I'm at right here. So taking that, you can see what it is. What is it, 67 degrees? Let me take inside of here. .94 already on the inside of this jacket, and it's open, letting wind in. 96, so it's going up, and the jacket's not even zipped up, and the thing's going up, so that's impressive. And like I said, it will continue to go up, and obviously wearing it, so I have been nothing but impressed. I've been using this for about a week now before I did this review. So yeah, that's all I got today, everybody, on the, the adjustable heated jacket. See y'all in the next video. Woo!